Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to weld shape in Photoshop. Let's begin. I apply many ways. First of all, use auto select, then edit or joint, hold shift, press Ctrl E, change the color. Okay, and another way without change color. Hold shift, right click, convert to smart object. See this? Sorry, joint, and again see the shape on. Click shape, right click, combine shapes and use any shape, then added this, move and remove, subtract. See this, added this. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.